And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us these bungee cords. Now, these have heavy-duty hooks. They're made with premium latex, and they are highly elastic. Now, these are 12-inch bungee cords, and you get a 6-pack of these bungee cords in this box. Just that information there. Safety information on the back. Nothing there, or there, or there. So, let's take a look at these. Slide them out. Nice. Nothing else in the box. Now, I love the little case they come in. Easy for storage. The zip one, even better. Look at this. There they are. Nice stretch to them. Really nice hooks. Great for tying down a bicycle or for tying down a tarp. As you see, you get 6 12-inch bungee cords. Wow. I don't think you gotta worry about these breaking. They feel really good and strong. Really nice materials. Nice little carrying case. Can't complain a bit. That's essentially what you would get with this pack of bungee cords. Special thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send these to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.